I ended up grabbing Mr. Lyoya by his right arm to roll him towards me. And as I did that, then I could see the yellow taser under the right side where I'd pulled his arm out from.
The trial of former Grand Rapids police officer Christopher Schurr is moving full speed ahead. Today, the prosecution rested its case, and now the defense has started calling witnesses.
A Grand Rapids police captain took the stand today and discussed department training policies. 2 current GRPD officers and a retired police sergeant also spoke, detailing the moments after the deadly shooting of Patrick Lyoya.
Target 8 investigator Ken Kolker has been following this trial all week. He has the latest from the courtroom tonight. Ken.
Brian and Sue, as you said, the defense started calling its own witnesses today after the prosecution rested its case after 2.5 days. The prosecution's 11th and final witness, an expert in police tactics, testified he had seen no evidence that Lyoya tried to hurt the officer, that it appeared Lyoya was trying to get away, and that the taser they fought over had been fired twice and was no longer a threat to incapacitate Schurr.
Therefore, that classifies the application of deadly force in this instance as unreasonable and excessive.
After 2.5 days of testimony in Kent County Circuit Court, the defense, without the jury in the courtroom, asked for a mistrial, arguing prosecution experts should not have been allowed to testify.
And this is based on the evidence that was presented in the prosecution's case in chief.
And they asked for a directed verdict, that the judge should end the trial and set Schurr free without letting the jury decide. Kent County Circuit Judge Christina Mims disagreed.
That a rational trier of fact could find that the alleged victim, in this case Mr. Lyoya, was not in a position to use the taser at the time that the shot that killed him was fired. I believe a rational trier of fact could find that the killing was not justified.
So it was on to the defense. A video expert showed the commands that Schurr gave to Lyoya after stopping him for having a bad license plate.
Hey, stay in the car!
He showed where he says that Lyoya shoved Schurr.
Both feet are off the ground.
He zoomed in to show Lyoya holding onto the taser while face down under the officer. Then, the 29th command that Schurr gave just before the shooting. A Grand Rapids police training captain testifying for the defense says Schurr did not violate GRPD policy by chasing Lyoya or by deploying his taser within arm's reach. He says Schurr knew what it was like to be hit with a taser. The taser, he said, is still dangerous in so-called drive stun mode, even after both cartridges have been fired, as they had been that day.
I relate it to like being hit with a blowtorch. That's what it feels like your skin's melting.
He says he's watched the shooting videos.
Do you have an opinion on whether an objectively reasonable GRPD officer in Officer Schurr's situation would have been in fear of a serious bodily injury or death when Mr. Lyoya started getting up off the ground with his taser in his hand?
I do.
And what is that opinion?
That it was reasonable, that a reasonable officer could perform the same way in that situation.
Now, the defense will continue tomorrow. Schurr's attorney has said that he's considering putting his client on the stand. Live in Grand Rapids, Ken Kolker, News 8.
Ken, thank you. Once the defense rests its case and the jury starts deliberations, we'll keep you updated right here on Wood TV. We're also posting the latest developments online at woodtv.com.